Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of a baking and cooking show with me, Nurse Heather. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're making something really fast and easy. You've maybe even made it before. It's called salt dough. And it's pretty easy, it just takes 3 ingredients. So we're gonna start with half a cup of salt. We're adding to that 1 cup of flour. And if you wanted to make more or less of the salt dough, you could just divide your recipe or double your recipe. So we're gonna mix the salt and flour together. And then to that, we are adding half a cup of water. And we're gonna stir it around. The dough will get pretty thick. And once that happens, then the fun part is sticking your hands in and mixing it around because it's a little bit messy. So you're just going to mix it until all the flour is mixed in and you have a nice little ball of dough. And we're going to keep it in an airtight container overnight, and then later you will see 2 things that we can do with the salt dough. One of them will be with Nurse Jana and one will be with Miss Moore. And so that's it. Pretty easy for today. Thanks everybody, I hope you're doing well. Bye.
This has been a Freelance Fun television production.